Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your debit card with OfferUp. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have started to purchase things on OfferUp. How do you actually go ahead and connect your credit card? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. What we're first going to do is that we're going to click on OfferUp, and then once the app finishes loading, on the upper right hand corner, you're going to click on your profile image. Next, you're going to scroll down to where it says Purchases and Sales. Next, you're going to click on Accounts. And then right now, I have some blurred out information here. You're going to click on Add Credit/Debit Card. Now, once you do so, you'll be able to enter the name of your card, the card number, the expiration date, CVV, and zip code. So once you've done so, you're just going to click on Save. So that right there, guys, once you click on Save, is going to allow you to connect your credit card to your OfferUp account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.